Hi, my name is Kutlwano Hlongwane. I am the National Brand Ambassador for the Glen Livet Single Malt Scotch Whiskey. I am from the not-so-dusty streets of Orlando East in Soweto. Marketing is my first love. It's definitely my passion. But funny enough, single malt Scotch whiskey is my newfound passion. Get your hands on the Glen Livet 12-year-old. Obviously pour it into a glass, pick it up, give it a bit of a sniff, bring it up to your nose, and then swirl your glass. Give it a bit of a roll in your hand, and then bring it up to the nose again. Basically what you're doing is you're infusing the alcohols in the whiskey as well as the aromas that are in the whiskey together. If you're looking for something completely different than a mug for Father's Day, I'd like to suggest the Glen Livet Single Malt Scotch Whiskey. We've got 4 wonderful expeditions. We've got the Glen Livet 12-year-old, we've got the Glen Livet 15-year-old, we've got the Glen Livet 18, as well as the Glen Livet Archive 21-year-old if you really want to impress Dad. So here we have the Glen Livet 12-year-old. It's a bourbon cask matured whiskey. So what that means, it's very fruity. It's got hints of vanilla that come through it. So if your dad is the type of person that enjoys fruity, smooth whiskies, where you get from the Glen Livet Single Malt Scotch Whiskey, this is the whiskey for him. And the chocolate that will pair very well with this whiskey is the dark chocolate infused with caramel. This is something special that you can use to surprise Dad. So we've got a 21-year-old Scotch whiskey. Pair that with almond-infused white chocolate, and it's going to be a great Father's Day for Dad. If you'd like a different option from a single malt Scotch whiskey for Dad, rather try a blended Scotch whiskey for Dad. Those two will definitely work very well for Father's Day.